Using your cubes every time you're going to figure out these subtraction sums. So the first one's in blue and the ones in yellow, they're either subtracting from 10 or 20. So if you have your cubes or whatever you're using laid out in 2 rows of 10, that will help you with those. Then moving on to the arrows ones, you're subtracting 3 from these different numbers on the green arrows, and then subtracting 5, taking 5 away from the numbers in the blue arrows. Make sure that you use your cubes and you're counting them carefully every time. And then the ones at the bottom, you are having a look at either answering the sum, for example 14 take away 1, or you're having to find out the missing number. Now when you have the missing number, I would recommend that you would put out the cubes for the answer and then finding out the first number by adding on. I'll show you what I mean in the next video below, and that will help you. So for example, one of your questions at the bottom is something take away 1 equals 16. So this will be a good time for you to be counting on. So for example, what I've done here is I've laid out 16 cubes, okay? And when we're trying to find out the start of the sum, and we know that it's something take away 1 equals 16. So if you add 1 onto 16 like this, then we have 17. So by adding the 1, we now know that 17 take away 1 equals 16. I hope that makes sense. And when you are doing the ones where you're finding out the missing number at the beginning of the calculation or through in the middle, then you can lay out the cubes for the answer and count on that way. I hope that helps. Good luck.